Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video we have another unboxing, and this one is going to be for the iPhone 14 Pro. So this right here is the Magic Box by Casekoo, and they went ahead and sent this over to me so we could go ahead and check it out. They also went ahead and sent a separate case for the 14 Pro as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So as always, if you want to check any of the products here, they will all have a link in the description. So here's the front of the box. Obviously it says Magic Box, quality or nothing, and then Casekoo down here, and then on the back we don't get anything else. So right here, this has a pretty cool way of opening, and I'm going to show that right away. So we grab from the sides and boom. So it stands up and everything, so really nice box and packaging. We get this nice little pamphlet right here, so it says Casekoo, and then they also have their brand right there. And then on the back we get some information about what's included. So we get a magic stand phone case for the 14 Pro, we get some screen protectors, we also do get a smart charger, which is going to be a 30-watt brick, and we do get a charging cable for this device. So let's go ahead and move all this to the side, and there's a QR code to, I guess, get some more information about it. So let's plop that to the side and start off with the smart charger and the charging and sync cable. So let's go ahead and take these out. Let's move the box over a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and put that over there. And here is our smart charger and charging and sync cable. So these right here are a product that come inside of the box. Let's go ahead and start off with the smart charger. This is a 30-watt brick, and these are all sold separately on their website. However, if you do want to pick up all of them and get all the accessories for your iPhone, then you can go ahead and pick up the smart box for everything that's included. So the smart charger right here, again, is a 30-watt brick, and it does have 2 ports. So let me go ahead and take this off real quick. All right, take that off, and boom. So a very nice finish and design to it, very portable and small, as you can see right here, and we also do get very minimal branding. For the ports, we do get one USB-C and one USB-A, so you can charge 2 devices at once, which is always good to know. And again, it is very small, so you can go ahead and carry this around and charge up whatever you need to, and 30 watts is probably enough for most devices. So that is the charging brick right there. And moving on to the charging and sync cable, which we have in here. So this is a 3-foot cable. All right, and boom. So that is the charging cable. So this is a lightning right here, a lightning to USB-C, and it is a braided cable. So being braided, it does feel a lot better, a lot more premium, and over time this will probably last longer than most of your normal cables. So let's go ahead and untangle this right here. All right, take that off. And here is our cable. So again, it is a braided cable and lightning to USB-C, and it works perfectly with your Casekoo charging brick, which it just goes ahead and clicks into. So very nice cable and very nice charging brick. So let's go ahead and move this to the side and move on to the main things, the main part of this Magic Box, and those are going to be the case and the screen protectors. So very nice design, very cool design choice that they've done with this Magic Box, which I'm actually really enjoying. It's really nice that you can actually have an unboxing experience like this. And so let's move that to the side again. And boom. So here's our Magic Stand phone case, which I'm going to be starting off with. And I'm also going to be checking out the case that they went ahead and sent over separately. So let's go ahead and take a look at both of these. Here's my Deep Purple iPhone 14 Pro. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the one that comes in the Magic Box, which is going to be the Magic Stand phone case right here. Again, very minimal box, very minimal packaging, which looks really nice and clean. And then here is our case. So that's the case, nothing else inside of here. So a cool feature about this Magic Stand phone case is it's MagSafe compatible, and it has a cool way of implementing how the case acts as a stand, which I'm about to show you in a second. So it is a clear case, so it already looks nice. And we do get some insulation right there, which isn't really needed. Obviously, it's pretty easy to install a case. So let's plop that to the side. Here is our clear case, and without getting any dust inside of there, I'm gonna go ahead and place my phone inside. So starting off at the top left, and then moving over to the top right and bottom left and bottom right, here is our case. So it plops on really easily, and boom. So here's a look at it. So starting off the back, obviously we do have our MagSafe ring right there. Plus we do get some branding down here with their logo, which all look really clean and minimal. And then we also do get a nice large lip for our camera lens. So if you do manage to drop down its back, then it should be perfectly fine. And the same goes for the front part of this case, where we do get a nice large lip. And then we also do get a cutout for a speaker grill, so you're not going to be losing out on any sound quality, and you're also going to be fine with protection. So the main part of this case is going to be the Magic Stand right here. Again, as I said, it is MagSafe compatible, and then this MagSafe ring right here actually transforms into a stand. So this is actually something that I've never seen on a case, and honestly, this looks really nice and feels like a case that I would use a lot. So here's portrait mode for you, and then to get it in landscape, just close it a little more, and boom, here is landscape mode for you. So the MagSafe ring that is already there, which doesn't mess up with the design, it doesn't have like a separate kickstand, acts as its own kickstand. So very cool design aspect of this case, and honestly, just for this right here, I would actually pick this up. So moving on to one of the most important parts about a case, in my opinion, the buttons. So the buttons test, where I go ahead and check out the buttons to see how clicky and functional they are. So starting off the power button, as you can hear, very easy to click and very tactile. And the volume rocker, which is probably going to be the same. Alright, so actually I'm kind of disappointed with the volume rocker. Compared to the power button is a lot easier to click, and the volume rocker is a little bit harder, so you got to apply some extra force, but overall, pretty decent buttons, and you don't really need to click too hard. So obviously we have our cutouts for our mute switch right here, and then we do also have our cutouts for our lightning port, which is pretty large, so you can use some third-party chargers, plus our speaker grill cutouts down there. And we also can see some air pockets right there on the edges of this case, and what those basically enable you to do is, if you do manage to hit it on the edges, if you drop your phone on the edges, those air pockets will absorb most of the shock, so your phone will be perfectly fine. So that is it for this case right here. This is going to be the Magic Stand case, and let's go ahead and move on to the case they actually went ahead and sent over separately. So this one right here is another case by Casekoo, obviously, which let's go ahead and open up. Boom. Again, same design choice for packaging. Very minimal, very nice. Alright. And then here we have our case. Plus we do get the stand right here. So we still do get a stand, it is separate. And then we also do get some pretty cool stickers. So if you really like stickers, you can go ahead and place this on something that you might want to use it on. So here's our kickstand, and here is our case. Again, this is a clear case, same design with the Magic Stand clear case, except for the fact that you don't get MagSafe compatibility with this one, and you also don't get the kickstand with this case. So overall, just a normal clear case, which will be useful in many situations. So let's go ahead and take this one off, starting off the top right, and then moving on to the bottom right, and pushing down from the camera lens. So it's not the easiest to take off, but again, I guess this just gives some more confidence that your case will not fall off in any situation. So let's move that to the side. Here is our clear case, and then on the clear case we actually don't get a sticker on the inside, but we do have one on the outside. So let's plop our phone in, moving from the sides, boom. Again, very tight fit with this case. And now let's go ahead and remove the sticker, and boom. So here is our clear case from Casekoo. So very nice case overall, just like every other clear case. Honestly, I really love clear cases for the fact that they look really nice, as you can actually see what the phone looks like. The only issue with clear cases is that they do get yellow over time. I'm not sure how well this one performs, as I am just using it. But again, I would have to test it myself to actually see how long it will last. So as always, starting off at the back, we do have a nice large lip. On the front, again, we do have a nice large lip, so if you do manage to drop it on its face or on its back, then it should be fine. On the buttons, our power button, very clicky, very easy to click. Our volume rocker, also very clicky, so compared to the Magic Stand case that we have right here, this is actually a lot clickier and a lot easier to click. So overall, very impressed with this case and the functionality of the buttons. So if you do want a more minimal case, you can actually go ahead and pick this one up. If you don't really use MagSafe too much, then you don't need this one. but again, I do use MagSafe a lot, so I would actually go with this one right here. So let's test out this kickstand. So this kickstand, probably not the best. You know, you can buy this from a lot of places, but this would probably work in many situations if you do use it a lot. So you could go ahead and plop it up in portrait mode like so, as you can see right here. If I guess you need portrait mode for something, and then you could also plop it up in landscape mode when you're watching something. So overall, a very decent and minimal kickstand, something you could probably pick up anywhere else. But again, it's nice that they have it included with this case. So let's go ahead and move on to the final part of this, which is going to be the screen protector. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that ready for y'all, and I'll see y'all in a sec. Alright, so here is our final product from the Magic Box sent over by Casekoo. So this is going to be the screen protectors that we get included inside, and we also do get 2. So let's go ahead and open this up. As always, the same packaging as the rest. Nothing else inside of this box. We'll just pop that to the side. Here we have everything that slides out like so. Nice little packaging right there, a blue case around everything to keep everything organized. We do get this nice little stand, so you can actually place your screen protector wherever it needs to be, and then this is probably where everything else is. So you've probably already noticed quality or nothing is going to be their, I guess, main motto. So here is everything we get inside. Right here we have some wet wipes, then we have another wet wipe. We also do get some instructions, which we probably don't need if you've put on screen protectors a lot. We do get our screen protectors, so we do get 2 of them, 2 tempered glass screen protectors, and then we also do get some stickers with this. So it's always nice to know that you get some extra stickers. I guess it adds to the value of it, which I'm completely joking about. So let's go ahead and turn this phone off real quick. I'm gonna probably fast forward in this section right here as I'm applying the screen protector. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Now I have the screen protector applied. Very easy to do, as you can see right here. I did go ahead and fast forward that area, but it is perfectly fine. You probably already know. I do have some bubbles. I kind of did this very fast, but again, if you do take your time and you do this patiently, you're probably not going to have any bubbles. So very nice screen protector. It actually seems like it's a part of the display. It covers the whole thing. It even goes over all the Face ID sensors. And since this is the 14 Pro, that was actually supposed to already be like that. And then on the sides, you can see that it seems like a part of the display. Feels really nice and premium. So it's always good to know that you get a good screen protector. So that'll basically wrap it up for everything we get inside of the Magic Box. So let's go ahead and do a recap. What do we get? We get a screen protector. We actually get 2 screen protectors. We get a really nice case, which let me go ahead and actually place on here just to show you that the screen protector works perfectly fine with it. And then we also do get a 30-watt charging brick, plus we get a nice braided cable. So honestly, a pretty nice deal. Again, I will leave a link down below. Very nice packaging, and then here is a final look at the box right here. This is the Magic Box, Quality or Nothing by Casekoo. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with what Casekoo has done with this box right here. So, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.